everyone, if you guys are ever looking for professional tax services, check us out at blackstartaxes.com or feel free to check us out on our Instagram page at blackstartax.
Hey guys, so let's just get right into the topic. Thanks guys so much for watching, by the way. So let's outline another problem. And this problem, I don't know how this problem is going to be solved, but the problem is bad shoppers. Yes, I'm not necessarily talking about shoppers stealing and shoppers helping themselves, even though I think that's absolutely hilarious. Like, whoever's doing that, I love you. I'm talking about shoppers who are just horrible. Like, you guys don't know what you guys are doing. You guys are picking rotten tomatoes. How do you pick rotten tomatoes? Are you blind? You guys are throwing people's groceries. You guys are throwing groceries like football players. Like, what? Throwing groceries? Like, are you guys the mailman? No, that's absolutely atrocious. Absolutely disgusting. Like, I get it. Instacart doesn't really train people, but then again, there are those videos. They do have videos on their app. So I don't know. Is that training adequate? I think it's pretty straightforward, but evidently, I guess there's some people that are being hired that have never done grocery shopping a day in their life, and it shows, because I don't understand how you could pick rotten strawberries. I don't understand how you have bread squished at the bottom of the bag. Like, what? Oh my goodness, you guys don't check your produce. You guys just pick any old thing. You look at the app, it says, oh, this person wants some onions. You just pick the first pair of onions that you guys see. You guys don't even look at anything. Some of you guys don't even look at expiry dates. First and foremost, I get it. Like, if you're shopping for yourself and you don't check expiry dates, not a big deal, because you could go back to the store and return it. But you're a personal shopper. You need to be checking expiry dates. You have to do that. Okay? Doing your batches, you guys see frozen items like ice cream, you guys pick that first. By the time it gets to the customer's house, it's already melted. Absolutely disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Recently, I went to someone's house to deliver an order. She was such a sweet lady, guys. She was like an older lady, bedridden. Really sad story. And she was talking to me about how she doesn't tip anymore beforehand because she's just had a terrible experience with so many shoppers, but she has no choice to keep ordering from Instacart because she can't go out, you know? So that was a major red flag, because in my mind, I was like, if there's another grocery delivery service other than Instacart, this person would automatically run to that delivery service because of just the bad experience that she's had with shoppers. And she was basically saying, yeah, because of that reason, she doesn't tip beforehand anymore. She waits till the person comes. She waits till they unload the groceries, and then she provides a cash tip in person. And it's absolutely horrible. You have some of you guys, there are people out here that don't have any other choice, and you guys could refund them, and yeah, they can go to Instacart, get a refund for bad food, but then they don't have any food. It's like, some of you guys, either you guys are just really ignorant or you guys are evil. I don't know which one it is, but you guys need to get it together. Like, there are way too many videos on YouTube on how to do grocery shopping. There are way too many videos on that for you guys to consistently make these mistakes. And yes, we could sit there and blame most of the pandemic hires, but the story that I'm talking about was pre-pandemic. So evidently this has been a problem that has been going on for a while, and it's pretty sad. Like, you guys need to get it together. I'm gonna insert a clip of what someone said, and he just said it so beautifully.
On the conveyor belt, that it's getting packaged in such an organized nature with respect of the property, and to make sure that they're confined with certain items that are cold, that stay cold, that work together to stay cold in the same bag to keep the temperature at least decent enough to make it to their home, and it's not hot, ruined, or, you know, at a lukewarm temperature where they're not going to enjoy it. Sitting there watching them tossing the crap in the basket, bread underneath meat, just like they don't give a rat's ass about these people's stuff that they're ordering.
Yeah, you guys heard the man. You guys heard the man. Don't do that. Like, treat others' groceries the way you would like yours to be treated. You guys are done with your shop. You guys just throw the groceries. Like, you guys, what? You guys just throw it on the floor. It's gross. Some of you guys, I don't know what you guys do. You guys use your feet to do things with groceries. Like, instead of, you know, picking up the groceries with your hands, y'all use your feet to move groceries. Like, that is, come on now, they're just groceries. You guys don't need to be abusing groceries like that. You guys don't need to be abusing groceries like that. It's horrible. You're a personal shopper. Like, if you really hate Instacart that much, or if you're really in it just for the money, then cool, but please understand that you're ruining it for other people out there who are actually depending on this. You're one of the reasons, apparently, from a customer, why they don't like to tip beforehand anymore. You're one of the reasons why. Because of experiences like you. Because of you guys just putting yourself first and not thinking about other people. It's one thing to screw over the company. Okay, I'm totally cool with you guys doing that. But screwing over innocent customers is not cool. And I don't know what it is. Like, dude, so some of you guys just not know how to grocery shop? Like, and I'm not trying to be rude, but how can you guys be, what? If you don't know how to grocery shop, why don't you get training? I don't know. Do you guys just not know how to grocery shop? Like, do you guys just not know, like, common sense? Do you guys just not know that meat doesn't go together with other items? Do you guys just not know that? Or do you guys just not care? These customers crying. And I honestly think these are the type of people that should be deactivated. People who make mistakes like this, but instead they're deactivating innocent people. It's absolutely horrible. So anyways, guys, that's all I had to say about that. I really don't have much to say about that, but yeah, like, let me know. Doesn't it bother you? Let me know. Have you guys personally seen this before? I haven't, but I've heard of it happening. So talk to you guys next time, and thanks for tuning in, guys. Bye.